up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am about to be doing an unboxing and showing y'all my new skate bag. So let's just get right into it. So here we have, make room, make room, make room. This is my new Impala skate bag. Oh shit. The thing got caught and it almost fell on my mirror. Okay, so this is my new skate bag. It is by Impala, the same as my skates. The same brand that I got my skates from, or both skates from, Impala. I absolutely love it because it's a heart. It's pink. And look at this. Look at this. Hold on, hold on. I'm going to have to light it. So you can use it as a bag with a strap. This is one way to carry it. Or you can carry it as a backpack. And I absolutely love that. It is absolutely so freaking cute. So let's just get into the details and everything like that. So, first of all, I'm gonna put y'all lower. I'm gonna put y'all real down low so you can see what I'm doing and everything like that. Okay, so this is the bag. As you can see, real nice, real cute. I absolutely love it. So in the front here, I don't know if y'all know. Okay, bam, we look good. So in the front here, I don't know if y'all have this problem, but whenever I fall outside, I don't like dust and dirt getting on my hands. I absolutely hate it. So in the front here, we just have some wipes. Really convenient. And I like this bag because if I'm skating by myself, I have somewhere to put my keep my shoes, and I can just use it as the backpack way whenever my skates aren't in here and I'm skating. You know what I'm saying? So undo it like this. And there's a Velcro part. And then you just unzip. So I'm gonna put y'all forward now. I love my new tripod, bro. Hold on. Right. And bam, here are my skates. This is one pair. Real cute. Super cute. Absolutely love. And then here are my other skates as well. These can fit. These are supposed to be able to fit rollerblades as well. Y'all see my little sticker? Absolutely love. Real cute. My skates are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. And then I have my skate tool in here as well. I don't have any knee pads. I should at least buy some knee pads. So yeah, I'm gonna also buy some knee pads too. And I like that it has a ventilation for, you know, if your skates get funky, it's not just the funk isn't just staying in the bag. You know what I'm saying? Because let's be real, skating is exercise. You know, you're gonna sweat. So yeah, I like that there's ventilation right here. That's really cool. And it's just an overall durable bag. This bag retails, I believe, for like $60, but I feel like it's definitely worth it. Are there cheaper options? Yes, but were any like this? No. This is also like I said, this is also a book bag. So let's say I'm skating by myself and I have my Crocs, right? I can put my Crocs in the bag because obviously my skates are going to be on. Zip it up like so. And I can literally put this on my back and I don't have to worry about watching my stuff, especially if I'm alone. All my stuff is just right here on me. And I'm free to skate and do whatever. Bam. And it's just so cute. I absolutely love it. So yeah, and this is how it looks. Of course I have to zip it properly so it's not gonna sag like that, but I absolutely love this. Oh, look at this. And I'm going to design it. Y'all already know that was gonna happen, so I'm going to get some patches. I don't know, I've been looking for some, but yeah, the final product, I'm definitely going to do a video of me ironing on the patches or sticking on the patches, because it's cute like this, but I want to make it me, you know. I want to make it more my personality. And yeah, so I'm gonna definitely get some cute little patches and do that. Probably put one on the arm right here. And yeah, this bag is literally dope. And I also like this bag because, so when I would go out skating, I would just like tie my skates up, you know. I would just tie the shoelaces and just go and just carry them, you know what I mean? And I'm just like, bro, I don't want to do that. I don't want to keep doing that. So I would just tie them up and I would just like carry them like that. I don't want to keep doing that. So yeah, and my skates are too cute to not be protected, you know what I'm saying? And I damn sure didn't want to carry around the box, because no. But yeah, my skate bag is so cute. And then see, look, like if I'm skating by myself, I can just take my Crocs out and put my skates back in, like what? Or whatever shoe I decide to wear when I go skating. I'm more of an outdoor skater than a indoor skater. Yeah, I don't know, for a couple of reasons, and I wish somebody would have told me this when I went to the skating rink, but they didn't. So yeah, oh well. So I went to the skating rink, right? And of course it was like hella musty in there, right? Cool, that's the issue. I don't really want to smell must. That's why I'm an outdoor skater. And number two, obviously I'm a new skater, right? So yeah, people will see me struggling, but I don't really care about that. Grown men will literally be in the skating rink trying to like touch you inappropriately and shit like that. And yeah, like I saw it a lot. It was literally disgusting. Like the men, they'll prey on you if they see you can't skate, especially if you're by yourself, or you know what I mean? Like, and you be trying to be, I know someone's gonna be like, oh, let me just try to be nice and just, you know, skate with them. Because that's what they'll do. They'll play it like, oh, come skate with me. Come on, come skate with me. And, you know, you being you're gonna be like, oh, okay, cool. But they're gonna like try to put their hand on your backside. I've seen it, bro. I was like, this shit is creepy for old ass, grown ass, predatory men. Oh, like I'm telling you, men being there over the age of 50, putting their hands on girls' backs, especially if they see you can't skate, and they're gonna try to play it like they're trying to help you, but really they're just trying to be creepy ass motherfuckers. So I don't like watching that. So therefore, I don't like going to the skating rink. Like, no. And dudes try to do that too. If a dude sees you struggling, oh, come on, let me help you, baby girl. Bitch, get the fuck out my face. Fuck is you talking about? Like, I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm good. You know what I mean? But yeah. I'm gonna put my hair up because my hair is definitely, I can't wear my hair down too long, especially if I'm in a house. Like, I can't. So yeah, I'm gonna put my skates back in my new little skate bag. And this is also really cute for travel purposes too. So like, let's say, I don't know, you go to your friend's house, or you go to your boyfriend's house, or you go on an airplane. This is just a safe way to, you don't want to carry your skates in your hand or a suitcase. you know, you want to have your skates protected. So yeah, I have my skates in here, and then this is my skate tool. It actually matches my cheetah skates. Do y'all want to see them? Actually, I think they're in the box. I did an unboxing. Just type in Kyla Latrice unboxing Impala skates and it'll come up. I promise you it will on my channel. So yeah, this is it. Really cute, and it's supposed to be able to fit knee pads and elbow pads. All your safety gear is supposed to be able to fit that, and then you can hook your helmet. So if you do have a helmet, you can hook it on here. So yeah, I highly, even though I haven't gotten it yet, I highly recommend, if you are a beginner skater or just any skater period, get some safety gear. I am going to get some safety gear, even though I haven't got it yet. I'm going to get some. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. Do as I say, not as I do, because I know y'all gonna be like, Kyla, you've been skating for over a year and you don't have knee pads and elbow pads. Listen. Okay, calm down. I'm gonna get some. So okay. So as you can see, it's zipped, and I velcroed this part. And then for extra security, you just put it like that. And then there's also a second one for you to do this. And then bam, here is your bag. Really cute. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I have wipes in here. Yeah, because I'm gonna put sanitizer in here, and I'm also going to add some patches. If you are on Etsy and you sell patches and stuff like that, let me know, because I would definitely rather buy from you guys than Amazon. You know what I'm saying? I don't mind shopping off of Amazon, but why not give one of my subscribers my money when I can? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, why not? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Because like, y'all support me, well, I should be able to support y'all. You feel me? So if I'm ever looking for something, just know I'm definitely going to come to my subscribers first, or TikTok. This is why y'all need to be following me on TikTok, because I be asking for a lot of recommendations on TikTok, because I want to go to y'all first rather than buy it off of Amazon, because I'd rather give y'all my money. You feel me? So yeah, make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. If you have a shop where you sell patches or cute little pins that you think I might be interested in, hit me up, send me your information. I'll check your website. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Kyla Latrice. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And get this bag. It's real cute. I absolutely like it. It's super girly too. It's a heart like stuff. And I can't wait to decorate it with my patches. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.